Hey everyone, Mary from Kanzo Academy here. Now you and I know that there is no skill that will do more for your self-confidence and help you achieve highest levels of success both in your personal and professional life like the skill of public speaking. But public speaking is the number one fear for most people, over 75% of the population actually. So right now I want to share with you simple steps that you can begin to apply immediately to increase your self-confidence when it comes to public speaking. Number one, preparation is key. Know your topic and know your audience, so you're best placed to serve them. Number two, make an excellent first impression. You know you never get a second opportunity to make a great first impression, so get it right the first time. And one way you can do that is by dressing appropriately and arriving on time. That shows that you value your audience, you value their time. Number three, use simple, clear language that everyone can understand. Whenever you're communicating anyway, you want to be sure that people you're speaking to understand what you're saying. But even more so when you're speaking in public, avoid technical words that nobody understands. But the other thing you can do also is to be concise. Your audience will thank you for it. Number four, use positive body language. Did you know that when it comes to communicating, our words account for only 7% of what our audience believes? Our tone of voice accounts for 38%, and our body language accounts for 55%. 5. See yourself succeeding. The reason a lot of people are nervous when it comes to public speaking is because they imagine everything that could go wrong. And guess what? The subconscious mind does not know the difference between what is imagined and what is real. And then you start to have trembling hands and dry mouth and fast beating heart rate. The more you visualize yourself succeeding, the less nervous you will be. Remember, those in the room are there to listen to what you have to say. So see them as friendly faces rather than enemies. Number 6, my final tip. Practice, practice, practice. Take every opportunity to practice speaking. The more you do something, the better you will get at it. So with those 6 tips, I am positive if you start to put them into practice, you will start to see your confidence rise and you'll begin to feel more comfortable when you have to speak in public. Now, I want to invite you to our Public Speaking Made Easy workshop taking place on the 23rd of June in Maidstone. If you know that you need help with your public speaking skills, then this workshop is for you. Details are going to be around this video. I want to encourage you to click on it. Come join everyone that's already registered and start to improve your public speaking skills so you can start to increase your influence and your impact. Click on the link, spaces are limited. Do it today and I'll see you there.